In this video, I am going to teach how to manipulate fruit in Photoshop in the shortest possible time. So stay with me. Go to Select. Click on the Subject option. Mask the layer to remove the background, create a new layer. With the Gradient tool, choose the desired color and create a background. Right-click on the layer, and click on Convert to Smart Object option. With the Pen tool, divide the fruit into several parts. Press Ctrl T. Create a new layer again. Choose your favorite color. With the Pen tool, choose the inside of the fruit. Press Alt Backspace to the selected area be painted. To get rid of monotony and simplicity, you can use fruit juice and leaves. Turn on the fruit juice layer. Adjust its size. With the Eraser tool, remove extra spaces. Turn on the leaf layer. Adjust its size. Press Ctrl J, and copy the layer. Right-click and click on Convert to Smart Object option. Click on the Levels option and darken the leaves. Go to Filter. From the Blur option, click on Motion Blur. To create shadows, create a new layer. Click on the elliptical marquee tool. Reduce the opacity of the layer. Go to Filter. From the Blur option, click on Gaussian Blur. Click on the curves and adjust the color and light.